Hello everyone. Are you looking for best mini PCS? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best mini PCS of all time. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name Beelink S12 Pro Mini PC. The Beelink S12 Pro Mini PC is a compact and powerful desktop computer designed to meet the needs of both home and office environments. This mini PC is equipped with an Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake N100 processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 3.4 GHz. This ensures smooth and efficient performance for a variety of tasks, from everyday computing to more intensive applications. One of the key highlights of the Beelink S12 Pro is its substantial memory and storage capabilities. It comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, providing ample memory for multitasking and running multiple applications simultaneously without lag. Additionally, it features a 500 GB PCIe SSD, offering fast boot times, quick application loading, and ample storage space for documents, media files, and software. The Beelink S12 Pro supports 4K dual display output, making it an excellent choice for users who need multiple monitors for enhanced productivity or immersive entertainment experiences. This capability is especially beneficial for tasks that require extended screen real estate, such as graphic design, video editing, and data analysis. Product 2. Product name B95 Mini PC. The B95 Mini PC is a compact and powerful desktop computer equipped with the Intel 12th Gen N95 processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 3.4 GHz. Designed to offer high performance in a small form factor, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, providing users with the latest features and security updates from Microsoft. The B95 Mini PC is outfitted with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB M.2 SSD, ensuring swift multitasking capabilities and ample storage for applications, files, and media. This hardware configuration makes it suitable for various use cases, from everyday computing tasks to more demanding professional applications. In terms of connectivity and display support, the B95 Mini PC excels with its ability to support 4K UHD resolution via dual HDMI ports and a Type-C port. This allows users to connect multiple high-definition displays for an extended workspace or an enhanced multimedia experience. For networking and peripheral connectivity, the Mini PC is equipped with dual Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2, ensuring reliable and fast wireless connections for internet access and device pairing. These features collectively make the B95 Mini PC a versatile and efficient solution for both home and office environments, where space saving and performance are crucial. Product 3. Product name Camry Mini PC. The Camry Mini PC is a compact and powerful desktop computer designed for versatility and efficiency. Equipped with Windows 11, the AK1 Pro model features a robust Intel Celeron N5105 CPU, a quad-core processor that ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks. With 12 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, this mini PC offers substantial memory and storage, facilitating quick boot times and efficient multitasking. The device supports 4K resolution, making it an excellent choice for high-definition media consumption or as a home theater PC, HTPC. Connectivity options are extensive, including support for both 2.4G and 5.0G Wi-Fi bands, providing flexible and reliable internet access. Additionally, it features Gigabit Ethernet for high-speed wired network connections. One of the standout features of the Camry Mini PC is its support for a 2.5-foot SSD, allowing users to easily expand storage capacity. This adaptability, combined with its compact form factor, makes it suitable for various uses, from a standard desktop PC to a media center or a lightweight server. Product 4. Product name Asimagic S1 Mini PC. The Asimagic S1 Mini PC is a compact and powerful computing solution designed to meet the needs of both business and home office environments. Running on Windows 11 Pro, it is equipped with the 12th Gen Alder Lake N95 processor, capable of speeds up to 3.40 GHz with a 15W TDP, ensuring efficient performance for a range of applications. Key specifications include Processor, 12th Gen Alder Lake N95, providing robust performance with energy efficiency. Memory, 16 GB DDR4, allowing for smooth multitasking and efficient operation of memory-intensive applications. Storage, 512 GB PCIe SSD, offering fast data access speeds and ample space for files, software, and media. Graphics, support for 4K resolution, ensuring high-quality visual output, suitable for presentations, media playback, and professional graphics work. Connectivity, equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, facilitating easy and versatile connections to networks and peripheral devices. Product 5. Product named Max-B One Pro Mini PC. The Max-B One Pro Mini PC is a compact and efficient computing solution designed for a variety of uses, from office tasks to multimedia playback. This fanless mini PC is powered by an Intel N4000 processor, which can reach speeds of up to 2.6 GHz. It comes equipped with 8 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, providing ample memory for multitasking and smooth performance, and a 128 GB eMMC storage, ensuring quick boot times and sufficient space for essential applications and files. Key features of the Max-B One Pro include its dual Wi-Fi capability, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, which allows for stable and fast internet connectivity. It also features Bluetooth 4.2 for seamless wireless connections to peripherals. The device supports 4K HD video output, making it suitable for high-definition video streaming and media consumption. Connectivity options are versatile, with both HDMI and VGA ports available, enabling it to connect to a wide range of displays and projectors. The Max-B One Pro's fanless design ensures silent operation, making it an ideal choice for quiet environments such as libraries, bedrooms, or office spaces. Despite its small size, this mini PC offers robust performance and a range of connectivity options, making it a versatile choice for users looking for a compact desktop computer solution.